Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Lolli TV. I'm Elena and I am here to take you through the biggest Bitcoin news of the week, every single week that is transforming the world that we're living in. Bitcoin is at the center of everything. Politics, culture, the economy, all of the vital changes that are happening in our world right now, Bitcoin is there. So make sure you watch Lolli TV every week to stay up to date on everything that's happening, and send it to your mom, your friends, anyone to make sure they stay up to date as well, and you guys have something to talk about all week long until the next episode drops. And let's get into it. Bitcoin took a scenic route up this week, reaching around 41K, a weekly high as of Wednesday evening, breaking the 40K resistance that we have been flirting with all week long. Bitcoin fell about 3% after the Fed announced that it would hike interest rates. However, it quickly bounced back, always resilient. On Wednesday, the Fed announced that it'll raise interest rates for the first time since 2018 to a range of around 0.25 to 0.5%. This is up from its current rate of near zero. The Fed also pledged to raise interest rates by similar increments 6 more times this year. In a Wednesday statement, the Fed also said that inflation will likely remain elevated and face additional upward pressure in the near term. The interest rate hike comes shortly after an announcement that the CPI had reached a 4-decade high of 7.9% in February. On Wednesday, Ukrainian President Zelensky legalized crypto in the country amid more than $100 million in crypto donations that have flooded the country since the outbreak of war. The bill will clear the way for a legal market for virtual assets and for banks to open accounts for crypto companies. It'll allow foreign and Ukrainian crypto exchanges to operate legally in the country. While the bill won't make Bitcoin or crypto legal tender in the country, it will provide a regulatory framework for crypto, and it seems a fairly friendly one at that. On Monday, the European Parliament voted, again, not to ban the mining of proof-of-work cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. While legislation had been amended to remove the ban on proof-of-work mining previously, a new amendment was introduced over the weekend, adding the ban back in. So many are saying that this is not the last that we'll be seeing or hearing of this bill, which is called the Markets in Crypto Assets proposal. In a move that may help it avoid rescue by the International Monetary Fund, El Salvador is planning to sell debt backed for the first time ever by Bitcoin. The so-called Volcano bonds, named for the source of renewable energy powering Bitcoin mining in the country, would amount to a total of $1 billion and give El Salvador access to a broader pool of foreign investment and allow it to avoid relying on a loan from the IMF, which often come with a ton of heavy strings attached. Alright guys, now it is your favorite time of the week. It is not only Friday, Bitcoin meme of the week. We are heading over to Lolli's Instagram. We are following Lolli if we have not followed Lolli already. What? Guys, my favorite meme this week on Lolli's Instagram was Bitcoin won't be around much longer, and then Bitcoin is old Tom Brady. I could look at this forever. Kudos to Bitcoin baddie, reigning queen, so I dare someone to break this streak. I dare you. So this week, you guys, we have huge rewards over at the perfect retailers for your March Madness watch parties. First, you are heading over to Buffalo Wild Wings for big flavor with big rewards at up to 6% Bitcoin back. Yes, 6% Bitcoin back on your wings. Get bundles, get sauces, get all your goods for big rewards. And then head over to StubHub, get up to 6% Bitcoin back on your tickets to March Madness games, to concerts, to theater, whatever your heart desires, get it with rewards on Lolli. Now, last but not least, it's time for our free Bitcoin giveaway where everyone wins free Bitcoin this week. You guys just head to our Discord. I have linked it below. Head to our giveaways channel, drop your stats tag, drop your favorite story from this week's episode of Lolli TV, and then you'll win free Bitcoin. Easy as that. You guys, this is all part of Lolli's mission to spread mainstream adoption of Bitcoin. Make sure you tell your relatives, your friends, your family to check out this week's episode of Lolli TV and head to that Discord to win free Bitcoin. We are just spreading the love. Thank you guys as always for tuning in. It has been a pleasure. I will see you next week. Until then, happy stacking.